Number 2, baba ka na. Magsasend ang boss ng photos and videos at magpapagawa sa kanya ng caption. Yan ay si Lassie.
913-3754.
Hello, Lassie. It's so nice to see you. Happy New Year.
Ate, kamusta ka dyan sa Hong Kong, ate?
Oh, this is not your sister.
What?
I am not your sister.
Oh my God, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry.
Mali pala.
713-5475.
Hello, Lassie, once
Iba ng
again.
number, pero siya pa rin, ano? Kahit iba na yung number.
Oh, Arzel, how are you?
I'm doing well. How about you, Lassie? How was your holiday?
Oh, it's good. Very nice.
Oh, that's so nice to hear.
Yeah, I have a concern, a very big concern. I sent you my picture there. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it.
Beautiful picture.
Okay, that's my picture. I want you to make me beautiful.
Oh, okay. No
You
problem.
listen to me. You listen to me.
Okay.
Just make me smooth, make me hotter, make me
Water.
Make me water, please.
So just to clarify, you want me to make your face smooth, hotter,
Yeah.
and water. Is that
Yeah.
correct?
Just make me more water, okay?
More
Is it,
water.
is
That's
it possible,
noted.
ma'am? Is it possible?
Is it possible?
In technology, everything is possible.
So, Arcel, how long can you do that?
Oh, I can do it in 30 minutes.
In 30 minutes? Oh, that's long. I want you to make it 5 minutes. You can do
5
it?
minutes. Oh, which of the categories would you like me to remove? Hotter?
No, remove my
smoother,
head.
or
Remove my
water?
head. Make me Ann Curtis.
Oh, okay. In 5 minutes, I'll try my best to do that.
Okay.
Papalagay mo ng caption kasi ipopost.
Yeah. Arcel, don't forget the caption.
Okay,
What
sure.
can you suggest my caption?
Oh, newer and better me in 2025.
What?
Newer and a better me in 2025.
I love it.
That's so nice to hear.
Thank you, Arcel.
May video ba? May
welcome,
video ba? Ayan, anong caption ng video na yan? If that will be the video, what will be your caption?
Thank you.
If this is the video, my caption will be a newer and a better Lassie in 2025.
Oh, thank you, Arcel. I will
You're
promote
welcome.
you.
May
Oh,
pictures
thank
pa
you
bang
so
iba?
much.
Oh, how about the other pictures? You have so many pictures there.
I sent you a lot of my pictures. Can you do it
This
again?
one. Oh, this one is smoother, hotter, and water.
Hotter and water. Wow.
What will the caption be?
Yeah.
Oh. The best caption for this one is...
Bawal mapaputok sa 2025.
Oh, ganito ang mangyayari. Ganyan.
So what's the caption?
Oh, the caption for this one is... I'm thinking of... I'm having a hard time. Virtual assistant.
Are you?
A new haircut trend in 2025.
Next picture, please.
Next picture. Come on.
Wow.
Okay, my caption for this one will be... Okay, my caption for this one will be... A shock face in 2025.
A shock face.
Face, a shock
2025.
face.
Oh, shock face. Eh, normal niya yan. Grabe, no? Next slide, please.
Ah. Isn't it beautiful?
Asang-asa in 2025.
This one, my caption will be... Oh, just woke up face in 2025.
Just woke up, pero may concealer. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Argel.
Thank you. Galing, ha?
Oo.
Dami mabilis mag-isip ng caption.
Pang 2025 yung mga caption, no?
Oo, pero yung mga pictures pang 1992, di ba?